Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lobster oil. This rich, flavorful oil is perfect for enhancing seafood dishes, pasta, or even a simple vinaigrette. We will transform discarded lobster shells into a culinary treasure. You'll need about 1 pound of shells and 2 cups of a neutral oil, like grapeseed. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this simple yet impressive technique. First, ensure your lobster shells are clean. A good rinse removes any lingering bits. Then, chop them into smaller, roughly 1-inch pieces. This increases the surface area, allowing more flavor to be extracted. In a heavy-bottomed pot, add a tablespoon of your neutral oil and sauté the shells over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until they turn bright red and become wonderfully fragrant. Now, pour in your 2 cups of neutral oil, making sure all the shell pieces are completely covered. This is also the perfect time to add your aromatics, like 2 minced shallots and 3 cloves of garlic, for an extra layer of depth. Bring the mixture to a very gentle simmer over low heat. Let it infuse slowly for at least 1 hour, or even up to 2 hours, for maximum flavor extraction. Once the oil has cooled slightly, it's time to strain. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with a few layers of cheesecloth, into a clean bowl. Gently press down on the solids to release any remaining oil. Transfer your beautiful, vibrant lobster oil into an airtight bottle or jar. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.